In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post manual journal entries in Zoho Books to accurately record payroll activities. Whether you're new to accounting software or looking to refine your process, this tutorial will guide you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's get started. Once you've logged into Zoho Books, start by navigating to the Accountant section located on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your financial records. From there, you want to choose Manual Journals. This selection is crucial because it allows you to input journal entries manually, ensuring that your financial data is both comprehensive and precise. With the Manual Journals menu open, head to the top right corner of your screen and click the plus New Journal button. This will open a new form for you to enter the necessary details. It's important to be accurate here, as these entries will directly affect your financial statements. One of the key details you'll need is the journal date, which helps to track when expenses and liabilities were incurred. Next, focus on recording the total gross salary. For this step, you'll debit the relevant expense account, typically named something like salaries and wages. This entry reflects the expense incurred by the company when paying employee salaries. Once you've debited the gross salary, move on to crediting the appropriate liability accounts. These might include TDS, EPIF, and ESI, depending on what you've already set up in your chart of accounts. Credit entries represent the amounts the company owes, so it's crucial to select the correct liability accounts to maintain accurate financial records. Now, take a moment to ensure that your debits and credits are balanced. This step is essential because it verifies the accuracy of your journal entry, maintaining the double entry accounting principle. Once everything checks out, go ahead and click Save and Publish. This action will update your books, making the changes visible across all integrated Zoho platforms. Before we move on, it's vital to ensure your Zoho payroll organization is effectively integrated with Zoho Books. This integration allows seamless financial data flow, eliminating redundancies and saving you time. Next, navigate to the Pay Runs module and find the Payroll History tab. This is where previously recorded pay runs are stored. To post the specific journal you've just worked on, locate and open the payroll run you're interested in. This brings you to detailed information about that particular pay run. In the top right corner of this page, there's an icon labeled More. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Post Journal Entries. Completing this step finalizes the recording of your payroll expenses into your accounting records, keeping everything neatly organized and ready for review. Following these steps ensures that your payroll entries in Zoho Books are not only accurate, but also aligned with your overall accounting processes. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more insights on managing your finances effectively.